Hello, hello friends. This is Subrata Mishra. Today I am going to prepare potato croquettes. For that, first boil some water and after that put the potatoes by cutting into these pieces and boil them also. You can call this in Hindi as aloo chop or potato frigates also. Okay, to prepare that, first boil some water and boil some potatoes. To prepare that, I mix the potatoes like this and I cut the onions like this and with green chilies, salt, garam masala, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, mustard seeds and little red chili powder and some oil. First boil little oil, then put some cumin seeds, mustard seeds, green chilies and the onions. Okay, now fry the onions till it turns light brown color. Now put some salt. As I have already added some salt while boiling the potato, so I will add little salt. Turmeric powder, garam masala powder, little red chili powder. After that, mix this masala well. Now add the potatoes to this and mix this well. Yes friends, now it is ready. Now the potato paste is ready to make the potato fritters. So now let it be cool. To prepare that, make some balls of the potatoes, boiled potatoes like this, small balls, and take some gram flour, add little red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and some garam masala powder. By adding water, mix it well and prepare a mixture of this. Prepare a mixture like this. Mix this well. Heat some oil to deep fry this. Now add one piece of that potato. Make like this. Now take them out from the oil and fry all them like this. Yeah guys, now it is ready. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.